Marcin Niedopytalski stood at the entrance of the training area, his gaze sweeping over the diverse group of civilians gathered before him. Each participant carried a unique story, a personal reason for embarking on this journey of self-defense and empowerment.
Welcome, everyone. This week will be transformative, not just in skill, but in spirit,
He announced, his voice steady and reassuring. Marcin began with an introduction to Krav Maga, delving into its philosophy and history.
Krav Maga is about survival, adaptability, and simplicity.
He explained, demonstrating the neutral and defensive stances with fluid precision. Participants mimicked his movements, some with hesitance, others with determination.
It's harder than it looks,
Murmured a young woman named Anneliese, her brow furrowed in concentration. Marcin moved amongst them, offering guidance and encouragement.
Breathe, and remember, fear is your ally if you let it fuel your focus.
He advances. As the day progressed, initial apprehensions gave way to growing confidence. A middle-aged man named Tomasz, who had started the day with visible anxiety, now moved with a newfound assertiveness, his eyes reflecting a spark of determination. Marcin introduced techniques to counter holds and chokes, emphasizing the importance of swift, decisive action. Partnered in pairs, participants engaged in simulated scenarios, their initial awkwardness gradually transforming into fluid, instinctive reactions.
I never thought I could do this.
Exclaimed a young man named Marek, his voice a mix of surprise and pride. Laughter and conversation flowed as stories were shared, bonds strengthened through shared struggle and triumph. Marcin looked around at the faces illuminated by the flickering flames, a sense of fulfillment washing over him.
We've come a long way in just a few days.
Commented an older woman named Eliza, her eyes reflecting a newfound resilience. Simulated crisis scenarios played out, each participant called upon to demonstrate their mastery of the techniques. Marcin observed, his heart swelling with pride, as he saw the transformation in each individual. The once anxious beginners now stood as empowered individuals, ready to face real-life threats with confidence and courage. As the sun dipped below the horizon, certificates were awarded, symbolizing not just completion, but a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment.